everyone. So we are at the office of PTPL, Pune Techtrol, and at their facility, unless I would say the expanded facility, as we are here for the inauguration.
The main reason we thought of this expansion was due to our operations being divided between both our units. So one being our S block unit and the J block unit. So we've divided our assembly section partly in the J block and S block. So to consolidate that and also to make it more functional and easy to manage. So all the best to the entire team, and thank you for everyone's support for always being there and trusting in our brand and our product. And we continue to assure you that our products will always help you in whatever situation, in whatever circumstances you all need our support in.